back. Question number 39. A hunter, 1.5 meter tall, observes the angle of elevation of a bird on top of a tree to 60 degrees. If the hunter is 100 meters away from the bird, find the height of the tree correct to 1 decimal place. Now we need to get a diagram before we start solving the problem. So a hunter, let me say this is the hunter, this is the height of that hunter. He is 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters tall. Now from his eyes, he observes a bird at a tree, right? Remember, he has a horizontal before observing that. Now this is the height of that tree here. The hunter is, this is the height of the tree. Now he observes a bird here. This is where the bird is, at that tree, at an angle of what? 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is horizontal up. That's angle of elevation, 60 degrees. And then we are told that the man is, the hunter, if the hunter is 100 meters away from the bird, this is a hunter. From here to this place is what? 100 meters. Okay. Now you are told to calculate, find the height of this tree, correct to 1 decimal place. The height of this tree is what you are knowing. So this has given us a right angled triangle. So we are going to use trigonometry function to find this. Okay. Now to calculate it, remember this is 1.5 and this place is also what? 1.5 because the rectangle. This is also 1.5. Okay. 1.5 here, 1.5 here. So we are looking for this height, the whole of this. So let the height be what? H. And this remaining distance, I call it what? X. This remaining distance, I call it X. Okay. Now let me find X. After finding X, I'll be able to find the height of the tree. So this, looking at this diagram, from here to here is the opposite. And this is the adjacent. And this is the hypotenuse for this right angle triangle. So I will say H all over 100, this side. Opposite over hypotenuse is equal to sine 60 degrees. The sine of this angle. So X is now equal to 100. I cross multiply 100 times sine 60. Now sine 60 will simply give us, this is 100 times sine 60 is 0.8660. So if I multiply this by 100,